Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain these new lamps in Heartopia. So if you go to lighting here and you scroll down, you'll see these very cute animal lamps. We have the sea otter one, the fox hugging fish lamp, the panda hugging bamboo lamp, bunny, ferret, deer, capybara, and alpaca. Super cute, and you can get it by leveling up your animal bond basically. I think you'll get it level, let's see, let's scroll down a little bit here, level 18 if you want to get the lamp from these animals. So make sure you feed them every single day. I'm going to do that starting now because I honestly have no idea what else to do this game because I almost finished all my collections. I just need one insect, which is the cerulean carpenter, and then for the rest, as you can see, I've completed every single thing, well, except for the Gourmet Life 2, I need to fish for golden king crabs and chocolate sauce. I need to unlock the gardening catalog. I also need to finish these, but yeah, I haven't done that yet either. But just in case you don't know what to do and you want those super cute lamps, you can um feed your feed the animals every single day and just level up your bonds with them to get more rewards and interactions as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!